How to turn off or on Use Auto Rotate on Android. So you've been using your Android device, for example, to watch YouTube videos, but your phone no longer rotates when you turn the screen from portrait to landscape. This might be because Auto Rotate is currently toggled off. To toggle it back on in the simplest way, swipe down from the very top to see your Android tray, swipe down even more to reveal all your quick settings, and look for the Auto Rotate settings bubble. If you don't see it immediately, swipe to the right. If you can't swipe to the right, then most likely you won't be able to toggle on or off auto rotate from this settings tray. In my case, the auto rotate icon is right there, so if I tap on it to toggle it on, auto rotate will now be automatically used on my Android device. Now, if you don't see the auto rotate icon here, just swipe back up from the very bottom to go back to your Android home screen. Look for your Android settings app. For me, it's on my home screen. I'm just going to tap on it. Look for where it says display and touch. Tap on it. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you see where it says auto rotate screen. It should be under other display controls. Because I just turned on auto rotate screen, it's currently toggled on. To turn off auto rotate, simply tap on the toggle, and now your screen won't automatically rotate when you turn the orientation of your screen, for example, from portrait to landscape or from landscape to portrait. Okay, so that concludes the video on how to turn on or turn off Use Auto Rotate screen on Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like. If you want to support me and my channel, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.
Why is it so hard to let you